What are you doing? What are you doing?
I'm backing up.
Are you trying to stand down the table?
Glenn, please drink the soda. Come on. Drink it for your sugar.
Yes.
Drink it. Drink.
No, Lexi, stop.
Drink the soda.
Lexi, sit there.
She's Rachel. Rachel.
Yeah. Span.
Glenn, drink the soda. That soda in your hand. Drink
No.
it. Glenn,
Lexi.
drink the soda.
No, please span. Span this soda.
Let's grab the soda.
What?
Get the soda. There's that mosquito. Glenn.
What are you doing?
Go ahead and span it, Lexi.
Span it?
Yes.
What does that mean?
Clean it?
That means what you see is not span.
It means clean it, Mom.
Lexi, span it. Let it go. Let it go. Lexi, span it.
Span what?
Lexi, span. Lexi, let go.
What does span mean?
It means that what I say is not spanned.
Shine the light on it?
Oh.
Lexi, span it.
I am shining.
I know you are.
Well, how's that standing?
Lexi.
What?
Lexi,
What?
span it.
Okay.
Lexi.
What? Shine the light on it?
Yes. I don't want this to be loose.
It's not loose. It's all done. It's all done. Here, let's put the stuff back in the basket.
Lexi, let's be loose.
Let's put the stuff back in the basket, and you need to drink a soda.
You need to...
Glenn,
No.
you need to drink a soda.
You can't loosen a flashlight, Dad.
I don't want the dog to be licking up along there.
We're not in
Glenn.
the back room. We're not.
Glenn,
Yes, you are.
Glenn,
Lexi, leave it be. Lexi, leave it be here.
You're in the kitchen.
No. Leave it be.
Glenn, you need to
No.
drink. Your sugar is low.
Lexi, leave
Glenn,
it be here.
your sugar is low. You need to have some soda. Here, have a drink.
No, I know what I'm talking about.
You don't.
Yes, I do.
You're looking at a light.
Glenn,
Leave it be here. Lexi, give it to me. Back it off. Back off.
I'm Lexi shining the light. She's not.
Glenn, you
Give
need
it
to
back
have
to
some
me.
soda.
No.
You're going to have spilling it. Have some soda.
No.
Drink it.
Dad,
Just leave it back
you need to drink it.
No.
I'm not going to span it until you drink that.
No.
Well, I'm not going to span it. So you better drink it.
Drink the soda so we can span it.
We're not going to span it until you drink the soda. If you want us to span it, drink the soda.
No.
Dad, your blood sugar is low. okay? You're in the middle of the kitchen. You are not in the back room.
Glenn, your blood sugar's low. You need to have a soda.
Blood sugar. Low.
Glenn, ready to drink?
No.
Have a drink.
No.
It's good. Why don't you have a drink? Why not? Why not? Have a drink, please.
No.
Why?
Back off, Trip.
How do you know that trick that you don't know who's Lexi?
Back off.
Glenn, have a drink.
Trick.
Back off, Trip. Glenn, take a drink.
Are you okay? Dad?
Glenn, I don't want to call the firemen again. You're not drinking.
You might want to call them.
Glenn, have a drink.
Guys, there's something right here. Who wants to press the button? Well, I'm going.
Glenn, take a drink.
Lexi, back off.
Take a drink.
She's not Lexi. She's Rachel.
She is.
Glenn, drink your soda.
You need to drink it.
Come on, drink the soda.
No.
Glenn. Well, then give it to me. Give it to me if you don't want it. Glenn, give me the soda if you don't want it.
No.
You're gonna spill it if you're not gonna drink it. Why are you holding on? Come on. Glenn, come on.
No.
Well, then take a drink.
I will.
When?
Back off.